Hey guys, it's Fonzie from Dip Your Car, and today I want to talk to you about a very special color. A color that's been around for a very long time, that has just been pushed into the corner and isolated as a base coat since the beginning of time. And it's not fair, and it changes today. Of course, we're talking about Gunmetal Gray, which we brought out a long time ago to do one specific task, to be a neutral gray base coat underneath other colors. But you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that there's this running joke that every time we put Gunmetal Gray down as a base, we step back, we admire it because it looks so badass, and we say, one day, we are going to leave the car Gunmetal Gray. And today is that day. We've got our Evo 10, and it is ready for a new color, and we're going Gunmetal Gray. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is finished, and we should have done this a very long time ago. Did you know this whole time we never even had a Gunmetal Gray car kit? It was literally just ostracized aside as a base coat, and that's it. And this color is awesome. Not only does it look great, but it is so easy to spray. It is the perfect color for a first-time dipper. Not only that, it's just great for anybody who wants a quick, clean, awesome-looking color on their car with very little effort. If you want to do your car Gunmetal Gray, the brand new Gunmetal Gray car kits, click up right here, and it'll include everything you need. The Gunmetal Gray base gallons. See what I did? I just said base gallon. The Gunmetal Gray gallons, the accessories, and a sprayer if you need one. If you have any questions at all, you can email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com, or even faster, chat with us directly on the website or call in, because we love to talk to you guys one-on-one about your project. Let's go outside and enjoy Gunmetal Gray for all of the beauty that it is. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.